Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from LUSH. This is my monthly subscription. It's called LUSH Kitchen. And it says, get grounded with calm and comforting scents. Let's take a look at what's inside. Looks like we have a bath bomb. I did already pull out the information sheet. This is called Yoga Balm. Smells really good. Something smells like cinnamon. I don't know if it was that or something else that's in here. Next we have Skinny Dip. This is a buttercream. These are all kitchen exclusives. That looks nice and thick. Smells pretty interesting too. Let's see what else we have. Assassin. This is a shower gel. Blend of undergrowth of patchouli and oak moss. Wild chicory infusion takes care of your skin's calming business. Looks like it's a fun like forest green color. That's neat. Kind of smells like a Christmas tree. Real earthy. I like it. Then we have a bubble bar that looks like a fish. How cute is that? Poison of D'Avril, I think is what it's called. I may have butchered that, but it's adorable. I'll be doing demos of this and the bath bomb later on my channel. And the last item is a soap called Ginger Root. And it's stamped, it says LUSH Kitchen on it. And yes, that smells very much like ginger. That's pretty cool. And I think that's it. I don't think there's any other goodies in there. Like sometimes we've gotten like a little notebook and other things in the past, but I think that's all that came this month. If you guys are interested, I'll put all the information below, how to join, and a playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.